Alright, how does Google work? Part 1. The concept behind Google is to measure relevance of each site. We will give each site a score based on its relevance. We're going to measure relevance on whether or not a random surfer is going to spend a lot of time there. So consider the web we have here, 6 different sites, hypothetical websites with the links given by the arrows there. Now our random surfer takes off and begins clicking 85% of the time. We're going to teleport or type in a new URL 15% of the time. And then we're going to have to handle the dangling nodes such as site B, where if you click on site B you would stay there forever unless you could then teleport off of that. Under these assumptions, then the random surfer clicks and clicks and clicks and teleports, and we want to measure how much time, relatively speaking, does the random surfer spend at each site. So we're going to keep track of that. We're going to divide by the number of clicks in order for this to be a relative measure. And this will boost those sites that have a lot of inlinks, and not just a lot of inlinks, but powerful inlinks or significant inlinks. So who are the heavy hitters linking to? You'll see on the right a histogram or relative frequency histogram of the amount of time that the random surfer spends at each site. And this is purely structural based on the assumptions I showed a moment ago. Now, the mathematics behind Google is much more advanced than this. This is just a concept behind how Google works. To see some of the math behind this, how does Google actually form this chart and give these scores, go watch How Google Works Part 2, and then we can talk more.